Hey guys, this is Jack from JackHoosourcing. So today we're in the Canton Fair Phase 3 at this second day. Today we're gonna have a topic that is what kind of questions you usually and you oftenly can ask the supplier when you choose the supplier to work with. And follow my video and let's go check out, all right? So, nice to meet you. What's your name, by the way?
Nice to meet you too. My name is Elio. I'm from Brazil.
Okay, Elio. Nice to meet you. So, I want to ask you a question because we are doing the YouTuber and we have followers. We are mainly selling to the USA. And I want to ask you a few questions like, if you come to the Canton Fair, if you're looking for supplies, what kind of questions or product details you are asking the suppliers?
Yes. So for me, it's important to know if the suppliers make a different. Let's wait a moment.
Sure thing, no rush.
A different order for me, because I don't need two normal products. I need two specific products, beautiful products. I need two little different things. Yeah.
Okay.
So for me, it's important to ask about MOQ, about where is your factory located, about this supplier. So, for Brazilian people, it's very important to make questions about the best price.
Yeah.
We need the best price, yeah?
Okay. So does the best price means the cheapest price?
Not cheaper, no cheaper one, yes?
Okay.
We need the good quality, but we need to make a relationship with the suppliers. Not about make one order and thank you, give me my money. It's here, my money, give my products, see you later, bye-bye. No.
Yeah.
For Brazil market, so it's important to make a relationship, to discover about the supplier, yes?
Yeah.
Similar like this.
Okay, so last question. So when you choose a supplier, what is the important characters, or when you choose the supplier, what is the mostly part you're thinking too much? So whether I want to work with this supplier or I don't want to work with this supplier?
For me, it's a portfolio. I need to know about your portfolio. How many products do you have in your line?
Okay.
Where is your factory located? Can I see your factory? Can I see your team?
Yep.
Is it possible to go there?
Okay.
Yes.
So
because
they are not a person, they are a company. So they are existed there. They are already running for several years, right?
Yes. This is good. This is important.
Okay.
Yes.
That's good. Thank you for having us to asking questions.
Nice. Thank you too.
Thank you too.
Yes. See you.
Okay, so here we have found really interesting products for the poker cards, and we can see, let me show you the function. So now it's starting to play the cards, mix them, all of them, and it's ready. So automatically we can try to arrange the cards for the fourth person. It's really amazing. So what questions we're gonna care about once we buy these products? All right, so we're gonna ask you the supplies. Hey, hello, this is Jack.
Hello everyone.
What's your name?
My name is Jessie.
So can you tell us what's the product name of this product?
This is the Supplier and Dealer.
Okay, so we want to care about, I have a few questions for you. So many buyers is really care about. So what is the MOQ if you want to buy this?
If you don't change the package, the MOQ will be about 50 pieces.
Okay, 50 pieces. So we don't change the box. So the box is no logo, right?
No logo.
So it's a kind of, medium design box.
Yes. You can custom your own logo.
Okay, so what is the MOQ if I want to customize my box and the logo on the products?
It's about 500 to 1,000.
Okay, 500 to 1,000 pieces. All right, so can I customize the color of these products?
Yes.
What's the MOQ?
About 3,000.
Can it be less?
Maybe we'll discuss with our...
Okay, so if you want to do like 500 unit pieces, but we want to customize the color, logo, and the box, would it be possible?
Yes, possible.
500 units?
500.
Yes, I want to change everything.
Because the MOQ to changing the color is very high.
Okay.
It's about the mode, different mode.
Okay, so where you already sell this product to? USA, Europe, or any other country you sell? You can tell us?
This is our newest item, so we have not sell to other foreign.
Okay, so if you want to sell this product in USA only, can I do that?
may not spot this time.
Okay, so what certificates of this product has? Tax report.
The test report is arranged now.
Still arranging.
Yes.
So what kind of FSC?
Yes, FFC.
Okay, so kind of
FCC.
CE rules.
Yes. Every report we will
Okay,
make.
so where is your factory located?
上头 City.
Okay, Shandong City in Guangdong Province. All
Yeah.
right. So, what is the production capacity per day or per month to produce this kind of machine? How many units can you produce?
It's about 3,000.
3,000 per month.
Yeah.
That means if we order like 1,000, maybe can finish in 20 days.
Maybe. Probably.
Probably.
Yeah.
Okay, so exactly so. Say if we order 1,000 units, how long it takes to produce and can ship?
About 30 days.
30 days. So if we order more, the time is longer.
Yes, about 40 to 45 days.
40 to 45 days. Okay, maybe the time is too long.
Yeah.
All right, so this is about the questions we care about to if we want to order this kind of products. And so if you have any questions more, so we're going to check it out. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Now we're in the booth and we are finding this cleaner, which is our mostly customer asking for. So I'm here to interview the supplier here and asking some questions about what kind of questions we care about these products. All right, so this is Jack.
Hello, Jack.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Lim.
Okay, so for this product, I want to ask you a question like, what's the MOQ?
MOQ, we usually do the 2,000 for our customers' brand.
Okay, for a customer brand, but 2,000 is really high. So can you lower the MOQ?
If loyal, so I need your support to solve the packaging problem. Because our MOQ to solve the production, we need to 1,000 at least.
Okay, 1,000. So what about if I provide you the color box and you producing this product, we don't change anything. So can you produce like maybe 100 units or 200 units?
No problem.
Okay, so if we provide the packages, this product from 1,000 can be down to the 200 units. So we have too many options to accept your order quantities, and we're trying to customize everything for your needs. So, and what kind of certificates this product has?
We usually do the CE roles for our customer. If our customer have some unique requirements, we can follow our customers' requirements to meet all the requirements.
Okay, so does this product have any patent? Can I sell in Europe or USA?
Sure, you can sell in US and Europe. Our main market is in there.
So no patent.
We will do our own patent. Also, our customer, if have their own unique design, we can apply the outlook patent to protect the market.
Okay, so if I want to buy this product, can I visit your factory?
Sure, no problem. You're
Okay.
welcome.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm Jack.
Nice
What's
to
your
meet
name?
you, Jack. I'm Carly,
Okay, so where are you from?
Australia.
Australia. Okay, that's a beautiful country. And by the way, so I want to interview you because I want to see you at the booth. So I want to check like what kind of questions you are care about, and mostly often you asking the supply. We choose the supply to work with.
The biggest thing for me is working out and making sure that it's going to meet the Australian standards. So especially for electrical, is it going to meet the Australian standards of what is required?
Yep.
Otherwise, we have to spend a lot of money in fixing it when it arrives.
Yep.
And then for other products that I'm buying, we're looking for ingredient list. So making sure they have really good quality ingredients for what we're looking for as well, because my standards are a lot higher than what a lot of other people have.
Okay. So what is your standard choosing a supply to work with or not? Like there have a lot of supplies.
Yes.
How do you choose? How do you decide that this supply I want to go to work with?
Honestly,
Yep.
my gut.
Okay. So another question. So you are in the beauty industry.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you think of the Canton Fair?
I am a little bit disappointed in the amount of my industry. So I'm in the nail industry and there's not a lot for nails. Like this is the first LED lamp I have found in the entire Canton Fair.
Yep.
And I was here all day yesterday as well. And so that's been a big thing, is I don't feel like there's a lot for what I do, but I think there's a lot of variety and a lot of very cool things for lots of businesses.
Okay, so I worked in the booth as well. So I noticed that you didn't ask him too much questions about the customization, how to apply the logo, and also what is the certificates they have, and what's their production capacity of producing per month, and where they based.
Yeah.
So this kind of things you are care about.
I do, but for me right now, because there's so much here,
Yeah.
I'm coming in, I'm having a quick chat, and I'm pretty much finding out, do I vibe with these people? Do I like these people? Do I feel that I can trust these people?
Yeah.
And I'm going through and talking to lots of different booths, and then I sit down and I go, yes, I like those people. No, I didn't like those people. And then I will go and I'll have factory tours and I will have those conversations later. I don't feel that those conversations are worthy of my time here. And I'm also conscious of the booth operators they've lots of people and they want to try and meet as many people as they can. So I don't want to take a lot of their time when it may not be a fit for us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one ask the question, do you think it's a kind of headache that you are going through a lot of emails after the Canton Fair because you need to select the suppliers and checking their products and checking the specifications and everything? Do you think it's kind of headache or you enjoy this kind of work?
I enjoy it because I strive for perfection. I really for me, the development of a product is really, really important, just like marketing a product. Okay. So if you want to make money and you want to do it well, you need to invest the time in order to be able to actually do it well.
Okay, so if there is a company who can help you to manage all the supplies and investigate the products and select the top 5 or top 10 supplies for you and give you a lot of catalogs for all the items you're interested in, do you think it's kind of worth to work with or you enjoy working your own?
I would definitely, for me personally, I would go with a company to take out a lot of the headache. Yeah. But again, it's about finding somebody that you can trust to, not be choosing suppliers because, they're friends and, we get a kickback from that. So there is a lot of suppliers that I am mindful of and they do offer those services. But I think sometimes it's good just to go and get your hands dirty and check it out yourself as well.
Yeah, that's what we do.
Yeah.
Okay, so because we are doing mainly this kind of work for the big sellers on Amazon, because Amazon is a big market. Yeah. We also have a customer from Australia as well. We are handling the supply management and also select the top 5 or top 10 products for their industry. And then I will give all the information to them so they can directly sit down and only analyze these kind of supplies. That's fine. And you know the supply, you know the price, you know everything. Yeah. So we only charge the commission. Yeah. So this is what we do as well.
Excellent.
So so thanks for your time. So if you're interested, maybe we can share the WhatsApp. Maybe we can talk later.
All right. All right. Thanks so much.
Thank you too. Hey guys, so that's all for today because you can see the people crowded and all go back. And if you like our videos, welcome to subscribe our channel. And if you have any product inquiries or any questions looking for suppliers or any trouble or any headache you have, you can contact us anytime. So PM us and waiting for our next video. See you next time.